Street photography is something that anyone can do. All you need is a camera, a street, and some artistic vision. Every city has its own unique identity and perspective. It's your job to discover what that is. So we met up with our friend Cam, aka 50K Streets, to teach us the fundamentals of street photography. All right, so tell us a little bit about your camera setup and what you're working with.
So I'm using a Sony a7R II with a 24mm f1.4 G-Master lens.
So why do you like to shoot with a 24?
I love shooting at 24 for two different reasons. First, you have to get up close and comfortable with your subjects and intimate, just like that. The second is when you step back, you can go ahead and create an entire scene out of it and capture a mood.
I'll be out of your frame soon. You ready to go shoot?
Let's go shoot.
Let's do it, bro.
The first tip is silhouetting. Silhouetting is going to be used on midday lighting, where you're going to catch a character in the shadows versus a lit background with a high aperture to make sure everything's crisp. Tip number 2 is subframing. Subframing, you're going to use a part of the environment to highlight the character and make them the focal point of the image. Tip number 3 is shadows. The most important part about shadows in street photography is as we shoot for highlights, we also need to embrace the shadows and allow them to have the duality of positive and negative emotion. Tip number 4 is reflections. As you continually shoot, be looking down into puddles and off of glass windows to see the world in a different perspective. Tip number 5 is lookups. Oftentimes as we shoot, we forget to take a second to look up and see the world from a different perspective. As you shoot lookups, make sure you use a high aperture to get all the buildings from corner to corner crisp.
Oh. Thanks for all your help, bro. All right. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks just like this one. Is that what I said last time? What did I say last time?